In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a post on Facebook visible to just one person. So you can do this surprisingly enough really easy in the Facebook settings, and here's what you need to do. So first you want to go ahead and go to make a post on Facebook. So I'm going to just click on what's on your mind, and I'm just going to write hello here. So you can write anything here. You can post a photo, a video, it works with any post. Once you've drafted up your post here, you want to go to public, which is going to be just under your name, and then you'll be given some options to post just to friends accept, only me, or if you click on see more, you can see specific friends. Now what you want to do if you just want to send it to one person, you want to choose specific friends, and then it will load up all of your friends who are on your account. Now because this account is used for recording videos on, I don't have any friends on it, but if you did, you'd have all of your friends here. You can then just click on whatever friend you want to actually see the post, and that will be the only person who can see it. Click done, and then you can just go ahead and post it, and that's all we need to do to post to one specific friend on Facebook. Please do leave a like and comment down below.